In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best car amplifier in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which car amplifier is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Pioneer Channel Bridgeable Amplifier. 500 watts max power, automatic signal sensing and turn on, high volt input level control, well-balanced isolator input circuit. From remarkable distinction to remarkable style, Leader's new GM series amplifiers are thrillers in every sense, pushing the limits of adaptability as well as performance. New Pioneer amps remarkably integrate high power efficiency superior to that of previous versions in space-efficient dimensions for flexibility of installment in various cars and truck cabins. Leader amplifiers immediately choose the proper input signal mode, either RCA or audio speaker degree. When the receiver is switched on, the amplifier immediately turns on. When connected to an OEM receiver, or a receiver without RCA outcome, and also making use of speaker degree output, the amp instantly detects the input setting and also powers up in sync with the receiver. When connected to an OEM receiver, or a receiver without RCA output using an audio speaker cord, the amplifier is activated at the same time as the receiver. Leader's amplifiers automatically find the input signal, as well as select RCA level or speaker degree. Pioneer GM a 37022 channel bridgeable amplifier, black or red. Low pass crossover frequency equals 80 Hz. Here is the item number 4, Boss Audio Systems Amplifier. Wiring kit: 30 feet audio speaker cord, 20 feet 8GA red power cable, 16 feet 18GA blue turn-on wire, 3 feet 8GA black ground cable, competition quality fuse owner with AGU fuse. Wiring kit continued 10-5 or 16-inch and 1 or 4 ring terminals, 6 feet split loom tubing, 3 rubber grommets, 24 wire ties, 20 feet high-performance blue RCA-TRCA interconnect. Amplifier power 1100 watts max 1 at 2 ohms, 550 watts max 1 at 4 ohms. Class A or B geography Corsa amplifiers have a substantial quantity of existing streaming with its outcome transistors without any audio signal. Class B amplifiers have no existing moving via its results without any audio signal. MOSFET power supply. A MOSFET is an electric button that enables the circulation of the electrical present. It regulates the output voltage and current specifically by getting rid of the output present sensing loss and eliminating all secondary feedback circuitry. Variable low-pass crossover speakers recreate audio based on a variety of different low-range regularities. The item number 3, Boss Audio Systems are 1004. Class A or B topology Corsa amplifiers have enormous quantity of existing flowing via its result transistors with no sound signal. Course B amplifiers have no present streaming through its outcomes without audio signal. Full variety with a complete range amplifier. You not just have the choice to run your audio speakers, but likewise your subwoofers. Variable gain control. The gain control is except changing quantity. It just changes the amount of signal that is coming from your receiver, as well as going to your amplifier. Get clear noise on the tracks with the Boss Audio R1004 4 network Class A or B amplifier. With 400 watts max power as well as a MOSFET power supply, this 2 ohm amplifier gives your songs a boost. Amplifiers in the Trouble series are best for very first-time cars and truck audio buyers seeking improved noise and also efficiency for their system at an inexpensive cost. Metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistors swiftly switch from full to non-conduction for high-performance output. Number 2 in our list, Planet Audio Monoblock Car. Power, max power outcome of 1500 watts at 2 ohms right into one network. Optimal power result of 750 watts at 4 ohms into one network. This amplifier is designed to run your speakers, giving them the power that they need to do as they were meant to. High-level inputs, Audio speaker level inputs are commonly referred to as top-level inputs. This input will be utilized to attach the AC 1500.1M to your manufacturing facility radio or an aftermarket radio that does not have low-level RCA inputs. Low-level inputs, line degree inputs, likewise known as RCA inputs or low-level inputs, utilize RCA interconnect cords to connect the AC 1500.1M with the resource system. Most aftermarket radios have several pairs of RCA results that can link to multiple amplifiers. Low-pass crossover. A low-pass filter is a digital circuit that eliminates all the notes below the filter's frequency setup. A low-pass filter will primarily keep high notes out of your subwoofers. Variable bass increase. Variable bass increase allows you to change the low bass within the increasing array to just the method you like. The top one in our list, Boss Audio Systems, are 1100M. Power 1100 Max 1 at 2 ohms, 550 Max 1 at 4 ohms. Class A or B topology. Class A amplifiers have a massive amount of present flowing via its result transistors without any audio signal. Course B amplifiers have no existing streaming through its outcomes without any audio signal. MOSFET power supply. A MOSFET is an electrical switch that enables the circulation of the electrical present. It controls the output voltage and existing precisely by eliminating the outcome current, picking up loss, and getting rid of all secondary responses wiring. Low and high level inputs. A reduced level RCA input is measured in voltages. A high level input is gauged in electrical powers. Both essentially lug signals from your receiver to your amplifier to your speakers. Variable low-pass crossover speakers recreate sound based on a variety of different low-range regularities. You can set exact audio specs for the bass frequency recreation. Switchable bass increase. Bass boost allows you to readjust the low bass within the booster rate is simply the means you like it. Variable input gain control. The gain control is except readjusting the volume. It just readjusts the quantity of signal that is originating from your receiver, as well as most likely to your amplifier. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best car amplifier amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.